Adding a wreath to an install can be a great addition to anyone's home or business. Use a measuring tape to measure where you will be placing the eye bolts. Make sure you have discussed with the customer the means you will need to install the wreath. Use your drill to make starter holes for the eye bolts. In this video, we will be installing a wreath using cable wire and eye bolts. You will want to have at minimum 2 anchors when installing a wreath. Larger wreaths may require more anchor points. Twist the eye bolt tightly into the hole. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Measure the cable wire you are using to ensure you have the correct length. Find 2 even connecting points on the back of the wreath. Hook your cable wire on the back of the wreath using carabiners or quick link connectors. Attach the first side of the wreath with a carabiner or quick link connector. The wreath you are installing should take up at least 70% of the space it's installed on. Repeat the process on the other side.